I've been using Pertier placenta for a month already, and this one I just finished this, and I'm going to open this one now. Oh, see, actually it's not open yet. It's going to, yes. And this one is new also, but I haven't started yet. Yeah, so here, and this is not open yet. This is not open yet. This is the one I just finished it. Yan, katatapos ko lang naubos. Wala na sa labas. Wala na sa loob. So ito, mag-start na ako